Welding aluminum definitely takes some special techniques. Whether you are using MIG or TIG, aluminum is widely considered one of the more challenging materials to weld. Compared to all the settings and techniques, today I'd rather solve the problem with laser welding with the same workpiece and the same length. A traditional TIG weld may still be slowly progressing, while a laser welder has already finished the entire joint. In many cases, laser welding can be 5 to 10 times faster than conventional TIG welding. We all know that aluminum and aluminum alloys naturally form an oxide layer on the surface. This oxide layer melts at around 2070 degrees Celsius, while the aluminum itself melts at only about 660 degrees Celsius. Take AC TIG welding as an example. During the AC cycle, one half of the waveform primarily melts the base material, while the other half helps remove the oxide layer. As the weld progresses, the process is constantly heating the material and cleaning the oxide ahead of the weld pool, which also results in a larger heat-affected zone. Laser welding works differently. The high-energy laser penetrates the oxide layer almost instantly and directly melts the base material. As a result, both the weld bead and the heat-affected zone are much narrower.